So hello everyone, welcome to another video on the main channel. So the week before we did what, operations, boring stuff? Is that what we did? I don't actually remember. Oh, we did freelance stuff. Yeah, so pretty much just boring operations. Last week, and I'm saying this recording on Sunday, so technically it was yesterday, but we'll say last week, we did art. Today we're doing music, so we're trying to hit all the different angles here. I have a very important thing I have to do, which is that I'm gonna close this for a second because I need to open up my Explorer. But I currently have around 50 gigabytes worth of sample loops, okay, that I've downloaded from various sources. All of them are, from what I understand, free use. I've been downloading them from like the commercial free, attribution, yada yada. But I have a lot of them. I can tell you the amount, 66,000. And so we need to start getting rid of some of these, and the best way to get rid of them is by making some beats with them. Now, I will warn you, just like how I warned all the art people, I will warn all the music people here right now. Don't know anything about this skill. I do not have. There are things that I do on this channel that I think I have a 40 on, and there are things on this channel that I do not have a 40 on, and this is one of the not a 40 on things, okay? I'm just gonna get into it. I don't want to do a huge preamble, especially since I'm going to have to record, or I'm going to have to edit this video. I'm basically going to just try and see how many of these I can get rid of at once. So I do try and get rid of the one-shots, because I don't like using one-shots. I'm lazy, and I'm just like what I said with art. I'm not trying to be a professional musician. I'm trying to be good enough at music that I can use it if I need to, right? Strong enough. So like what I like to do here is I just like to click some at random. I don't know if this is going to show up on it's a bass lead. So that's not a, that's like more of a that's sort of close to a loop, because it just progresses. It's not like a single hit. I like that one. Well, I had that one. I wasn't really paying attention to the first one. So like I said, we're starting at 66,000. Don't let me forget. We're starting at 66,000. I'm trying to get rid of as many of these as possible. We're on a good roll here. To be fair, I think I've cleaned out most of the first ones. That's fun. I like that. I'm just taking it down the list, so once we get to like track 21, we'll be able to start making something out of these. I'm just trying to get as many out here as possible, because Lord knows these are not going to match well together. I kind of feel like this one, can I just, out of pure curiosity, these last two, would they work together? Let me see. I think it's slightly out of sync. But it sort of fucks. It sort of fucks. I definitely have a bias towards some of these, I feel like, which might not help me, because every song needs to have like a beat, a lead, a bass, all that sort of stuff. So usually what I do is I just go for, I have all these, I find my first matching section. Actually, now that I hear it again, it doesn't really. Can we do better? That's going somewhere, I think. That's going way more than the other one I did, actually. Oh, by the way, I don't know what's the easiest way to do this. It's definitely not just copy and pasting the thing over and over again. There's gotta be like a loop extender or something, but I don't know what it would be. But we need someone else. Let's try this. Oh, I kind of like that. Kind of like, hold on. Wait, how's it come out of sync? How does it start in sync and then lose it? Oh, because it's not lined up. Okay, I'm hearing it. See, this is fun. This is more fun to me than the art thing, because the art, it just feels like, I feel like I'm cooking a little bit with this. I never feel like I'm cooking with art. It's only until after you finish the beat and listen to it that you're like, that was kind of not that good, actually. But in the moment, you're like kind of feeling it. it's a little out of sync, but that's sort of, I'm hearing it. This maybe? Maybe? Yeah, I'm hearing it. I'm hearing it. What is this? What's this little red thing? Get rid of it. I like this one. Something near the end there sounds out of sync. Yeah, I think that one works. And we'll start back from the beginning. We'll go for this list again. See if we find anything else that sounds good. All right, so we're still in the 70s here. That could work. It's kind of corny, but I don't... Could you make this sound hard? Let's find out. You can make that go like if you had a beat. What? What is this? What the fuck is this? Who invaded? Is it Rayman? This is very melodic, which I don't think is gonna work for like 90% of these samples, but I like it. I think I'll be able to do even like 1 gigabyte worth of space free on my hard drive. I don't have this problem with art, funnily enough, although the art files are usually a lot smaller. But what do I know? Oh, that's fun. Okay, that one's fun. I'm deleting about 20 to 40 megabytes each one, which I don't know if that's gonna be super helpful to me. We're almost down to 65,000. Good to hear. Oh, you're gonna. Oh, is that it? I was hitting it. That sounds so good, and it would not work with any of the stuff that we have. Did I download a breakbox beatboxing sample? I don't keep the beatboxing stuff. I don't know what pack that was a part of. I'm not keeping those. It's funny, but I'm trying to make music. Oh, okay. That sounds good though. Let's try and see if we can make those guitars work. At least one of them, because I really like them. How about this orgo one? Do we even need drums? Now I feel bad for getting rid of those generic ones because I feel like they're the only ones that could fit here. I think I want to go, because you could go, because here's the two ways you can go, right? You could go something like, that doesn't sound as good though. No, I'm sticking with this. I want to do something. I want to do something chiller, especially since the other track was more of like a dance one. Doesn't loop. Oh shit. That's how I get to loop. Shit. Bum, ba, 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 ba. If I had some like, hold on, just out of curiosity, something like that, like some stitching. The stitching works. The stitching fixed it a lot, and then doing some mixing magic made it sound a little less obvious. I feel like we sort of fixed it there. So I'm actually gonna say that one again. We got two pretty good tracks out of this, so that's not awful. It's just my the state of my hard drive is awful because I only have 18 gigabytes currently free on the C drive. Although maybe I just move them over to the D drive, which has 80 gigabytes free. Look forward to the next one. I don't know what the next one's gonna be. It might be a return to one of our other topics. It might be something new. I don't know. I don't have anything set on the docket, at least for right now, but I will. Anyway, I will see you in the next one.